So Adobe has really revolutionized and automated some of the workflow that you'll want to use when you're working with a simple project, especially if you're a beginner, because this is going to really help you work faster. Remember, sometimes in life it's about working smarter, not harder. So I want to show you how this works. Inside Premiere, if we go up to something called the Essential Sound panel, that's going to really revolutionize how you guys approach sound. Because let's say, as you see here, I've got an edit. It's ready for some sound work. I haven't done any sound mixing. Um, I've got my actual voiceover on this track here, track 2. I have my um, ambient background noise on the first track, and then I've added a music track on track 3. Let's assign them some roles and see what happens. So to do that, I highlight right there, and then I tell it, okay, this is going to be my ambient track. And then if I come down here and I say that this is my voiceover, I'm going to actually select the preset balanced male and watch what it does to the sound levels. See how it brings them up and normalizes them a little bit? Now, this is my music track. And let's say I select music and I want to have it duck with the dialogue. So I'm going to duck it against the dialogue. That means it's going to generate for me the sound envelopes, the volume keyframes. I don't have to bring it in and out anymore to make it heard. Watch what it's going to do. It's going to lower the volume wherever the voiceover is automatically. See? It's brought it down, brought it up here because there's no voiceover detected here, brought it down and brought it up here. And it's that simple. It may not be perfect, but I've got a starting point, and I've just saved a lot of time.